Talofa talofa laba. What a pleasure to send my greetings from D.C. as you celebrate our people, our heritage, and our beautiful island homeland. Thank you for highlighting the Samoan culture every year, and a special thank you to all those making this event happen through your dedication. Thank you to the Asia Pacific Cultural Center for this special week, and also for your good work throughout the year. Fa'aluaina Pritchard does a great job. Thank you for your friendship and especially your love for our Samoan people and culture. As you gather in Tacoma, I know it's a beautiful area of the country. Washington and American Samoa both have special national parks, and I'm happy to serve on the committee that oversees those parklands. I've also worked with members of your Washington congressional delegation on issues that we share as coastal areas, including the Coast Guard, ports, and Pacific foreign affairs. I'm very practical and bipartisan when it comes to American Samoa's needs and priorities, and I'm happy to work with either side of the House aisle for our people. I find our Samoan people everywhere I go in this great country, along with other friends in our Polynesian and Pacific Islander communities. So thank you for keeping a special place in your hearts for our traditions. When we leave our islands, we carry with us some of the best of our culture, art, the siva, and music. It's wonderful to know the special beauty of our islands is remembered and remains a vibrant part of your lives. It is important to our young generations to remember their heritage and the best of our Samoan values. I find that a lot of our values endure over generations and long distances. This week is a great reminder of our way and traditions, as well as our tropical foods and music, but most of all, our people. Before I go, I'll give you a brief recap from American Samoa. We've had a great year. 1 year ago, on April 17, 2025, we celebrated our historic 125th Flag Day. I'm always home for those, and this time I wasn't, but for a very good reason. I was in the Oval Office for an announcement about our fishing waters of importance to our local economy. Weeks later, I was able to visit all 3 beautiful islands of Manua. They have their own Flag Day, which dates back to 1904. I often go over by a small boat, tossed around on those ocean waves for several hours, but it is always worth it. I'm back at the Capitol, but I was in American Samoa while we had a wonderful graduation season this year. I know many of you keep in touch with family and friends in the islands or follow those happy events online. Thank you for being a close-knit Islander community, supporting each other and sharing our culture and ancestry with our young people so they feel that tie to Ainga. Thank you again to everyone. Have a blessed time together and a great year ahead. If you're ever in the nation's capital, you're always welcome to stop by my office, where our decorations will always be a reminder of American Samoa and the Pacific Islands. Have a wonderful time celebrating our heritage. God bless you all. Soifua, Maia Manuia.